Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram couldn't add to template. You are facing this problem, like you can't add template. So just go to the Instagram app and click on your profile section on the right side. And once you're on your profile, just click on the three lines on the upper right corner. And once you're here in the setting and activity, so just scroll down a little bit and come at the end, and on here you will see like more info and support. So just click on this help section, and once you click on the help section, like click on report problem and go back and let's try again and turn it off and click on report a problem again. And once you're click on report the problem, just click on include and continue, and on here just explain the issue, I am facing the issue that I can't add template, and you can also add some screenshots for like more proofs. And once you add those screenshots and write a short description, and after that just click on this send icon on the right side. So just click on this send, and Instagram team will handle your problem and they will contact you like within 24 to 48 hours and solve your problem. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix Instagram can't add template.